I'm going to show you how to easily open up your Thule roof rack. Now, all you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find your key, which looks something like this. They all look slightly different just because they're obviously different molds, but there's basically a number on the key you can see right here just to make sure it is the right one. I recommend making a copy of this if you ever lose it, or you can always go to the locksmith if you actually, lose your key altogether. But all you need to do to open it is you can actually see right here on the very top, you can actually just open it up by putting the key inside like so and simply twisting. Make sure your key's the right way. If it is the wrong way, like the wrong side way, you basically want to flip it upside down and really give it a shove to actually make sure that it fits in there. In doing so, you can easily see it'll twist like so and allow your roof rack to open. And you're gonna need to put some pressure to open it like I'm doing so here and actually open it from down the middle. Okay, it's pretty difficult, and then you can see that's all we need to do to open our roof rack. And if you want to take it off, you can obviously undo all of these things right here to remove it. And yeah, to easily put it back down, simply close it once again, twist it till it's secure. And when you pull it out, make sure that it obviously doesn't come up. Otherwise, it's not locked, but it's locked now. And that's all you need to do to use the Thule roof rack.